Hello everyone, welcome to Radikal Kitchen. I'm Radhika. Radikal Kitchen stands for flavors without borders. I love cooking. I love experimenting with flavors. I love trying something new. I also love the traditional, and I love exploring combining different flavors. Today, I'm giving you a taste of the Med and the Middle East. This is a zesty, citrusy, zingy salad. You've got sumac, you've got some oranges, you've got ginger, you've got pomegranate. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients that go in to make this lovely medley of flavors. Chickpeas, you can use them from the can or soak them overnight and cook them. Citrusy orange. Herby flavors come from the parsley and the coriander. And you've got dill here. Then there's some red onions, finely sliced. Finely chopped spring onion to give that extra herby and crunchy flavors. The crunch comes from the walnut. The saltiness from the black olives, which are sliced. The zinginess, the bit of the piquant, comes from the finely chopped green chilies and the red chilies. That's optional, so if you don't want to use it, that's fine. Burst of flavors from the pomegranate. The star ingredient of my salad is sumac. Sumac is made with dried berries. It's this deep, dark burgundy maroon color, and this just takes the salad to another level. This is an ingredient, and I'm sure some of you know, and for those who don't, it's used extensively in Persian cooking, in Middle Eastern cooking, and it gives a bit of that tanginess, citrusy. So instead of using lemon, you can use sumac. I first discovered sumac when I was having some salads, and then I just use it now when I'm even cooking seafood and other dishes. The dressing is also very citrusy. I think the core flavors is all about orange and walnuts and herbs coming together with a hint of ginger. So the dressing for the salad is a mix of orange juice here, the lime juice, a bit of grated ginger, so freshly ginger grated finely, some rock salt. I prefer rock salt when I'm making salads, and of course sumac. So if you sprinkle some sumac, the base of the dressing is olive oil. So you kind of combine these together, and then you get a nice, very citrusy dressing. I'm now going to show you how to do the salad. This is delicious. You're getting the citrusy flavors from the orange, a burst of flavor from the pomegranate, and then a crunch from the walnut, and it's all blended beautifully with the dressing. I loved it, and obviously I'm going to say it because I've made the salad. I really want you all to try it and let me know what you think. As you know, this is one of my first few videos, so please like it, please subscribe, and please share. And now, the best verdict I can get is from my mom. Mama?
So the mixture is very delicious. And I must admit that this salad can go with all kinds of meals.
What can you taste, Mummy?
I have tasted the peas, the onion, the pomegranate, and some. What you have added some tangy thing into it.
That's the sumac, mum.
Sumac. What is sumac?
So sumac is a dry berry. It comes from Persia and the Middle East. And instead of using nibu or lime that we use, it's a powdery stuff that they use to give that sourness.
Does it have pineapple also?
No. It's the orange and the sumac.
Very, very tasty. Very good blend.
Okay.
Blend of east, west, north, south.
Right.
Asia.
Yeah. Okay.
Europe and everything.
Mom loves it. Hope you love it too. See you soon.